To the contrary, DEI is about asking you if your customers, if your population from which you draw from is changing, but the representation in your company isn't changing. Should you not be asking why? And then ensure that things that they may be insidiously in the system, you find ways to overcome. So you look at your marketplace, you look at your customers, you look at the communities that you live in and work, and you say to yourself, I'd like for them to come and shop with me. If I'm a pharmaceutical company and I produce, manufacture a drug that disproportionately hits one particular population, I'm not going to say, well, I'm not going to target them because that's a diverse population. I'm going to say, I want to heal whoever is sick. I want the best talent. So I ask you to turn it on its head. I want you to think about DEI as being able to get your fair share of who is represented in and around you. And there is data to prove that diverse teams actually produce better outcomes.
So what do you think will now happen? Because Donald Trump has very clearly set his face against DEI. Companies like Meta and Amazon seem to be moving away from it. He's trying to push parts of the US government well away from it. What's going to happen to DEI?
表示对中国发展前
强不息，顾全大局，用